Let us now download the statistical package R. To do that, you should go to the website called the R Project for Statistical Computing, located at r-project.org. Here, you click on CRAN in the left part of the site. On the next site, you will see dozens of the so-called mirrors, identical websites hosted at different institutions across the world, often universities. You can select any of them. I go, for example, for the one at the University of Göttingen in Germany. But this really doesn't matter, as these are really identical. Here I select, at the top of the website, the distribution for my operation system, in my case Windows. Then I click on Base, as this is what we want to install R for the first time, as indicated in the description. Now simply click on the main link labeled Download R for Windows with the version number and wait until the file is downloaded. If you want, you can also read the installation instructions or the frequently asked questions, although that may not be necessary at this point. Once you have downloaded the file, click on it and select the preferred language. I highly recommend that you select English to make sure that there are no translation issues later on when you work with R. In the next steps, you always accept the default settings. So, quite simply, let your operation system install R on your computer. By the way, in case you work on Mac, you should follow the link with Mac OS and then download the installation package relevant for your specific Mac operation system. After we click Finish with our installation, as you can see, two shortcuts with large R have been created on your desktop. If you click on any of them, a window with R console should open. In principle, it is possible to run all analysis from this console. It just happens to be incredibly annoying once we perform just a bit more complex tasks. And we will need to install the special graphical user interface called RStudio. To download RStudio, go to rstudio.com and then select, under Products at the top, RStudio. Then click on RStudio Desktop and download RStudio Desktop. Here select the appropriate installer, most likely the first one for Windows or the second one for Mac. After downloading the installation file, click on it and run the installation procedure, again accepting all defaults. Once the installation procedure will be complete, a shortcut should appear on your desktop, or you can find the program in the list of programs under the Start menu. Clicking on it will open RStudio with 4 large windows in it. From now on, you do not need to open R as such as we have done a couple of minutes ago. You will always perform all the analysis from RStudio from this window. This is it for the installation phase. So let us now have a look at how R combined with RStudio actually works.